Piping Fundamentals. 4. Fresher Engineers. Pipeline Design. Let us first discuss about what is pipe. It is a tubular item made of metal, plastic, glass, etc. meant for conveying liquid, gas or anything that flows. It is a very important component for any industrial plant. And its engineering plays a major part in overall engineering of a plant. In next few pages we shall try to familiarize about pipe and its components. In any plant various fluids flow through pipes from one end to other. Now let us start with a plant, where we see 3 tanks. Tank 1, Tank 2 and Tank 3. We have to transfer the content of tank number 1 to the other 2 tanks. We will need to connect pipes to transfer the fluids from tank 1 to tank 2 and tank 3. Let us bring the pipes. We have just brought the pipes. Now we need to solve some more problems. Pipes are all straight pieces. We need some bend connections. We need some branch connections. Even some pipes are of different sizes. To solve these problems we need the pipe components, which are called pipe fittings. These are the pipe fittings. There are various types of fittings for various purposes. Some common types are elbows, bends, teeth, branches, reducers, expanders, couplings, eyelets, etc. Anyway, the pipes and fittings are in place, but the ends are yet to be joined with the tank nozzles. We now have to complete the end connections. These, in piping term, we call terminal connections. These are flange joints. This is a welded joint. So far this is a nice arrangement. But there is no control over the flow from tank 1 to other tanks. We need some arrangement to stop the flow if needed. To control the flow in a pipeline we need to fit a special component. That is called valve. There are many types of valves, categorized based on their construction and functionality. Those are gate, globe, check, butterfly, etc. Other than valves, another important line component of pipeline is a filter, which cleans out darbies from the flowing fluid. This is called a strainer. Here we see a more or less functional piping system, with valves and strainer installed. Let us now investigate some aspects of pipe flexibility. If the tank nozzle expands when the tank is hot, in such case we need to fit a flexible pipe component at that location, which is called an expansion joint. When some fluid is flowing in a pipe we may also know the parameters like pressure, temperature, flow rate, etc. of the fluid. To know these information we need to install instruments in the pipeline. There are various types instruments to measure various parameters. Also there are specific criteria for installation of various pipeline instruments. Next we shall look into how to support the pipe and its components. Here are some of the pipe supporting arrangements. There can be numerous variants. All depend on piping designer's preference and judgment. Let us see some other types of supports. Spring box. We have just completed a pipeline design. Thank you for watching. Hope you have gathered the fundamentals on the subject of piping.